Hi class, in this opportunity I'm going to talk about the motivation in the academic performance. The present study deals with how motivation affects academic performance is a research that was carried out in the United States in university. In order to know the impact of motivation on medical students, in order to validate the following objectives, the aim of the present research study was to explore the relationship between motivation, study strategy, study effort, and academic achievement among medical students. According to the authors, they support their hypothesis with the following content. It has been shown that motivation positively influences the strategy in academic performance because it is important to study motivation, particularly in medical students, because the medical student is different from general education in several aspects. Some of the high intensity study, uh, there are the different theories of motivation. Some focus on the amount of motivation and other on quantity. The amount of motivation could be high or low. The quality of the motivation depends on whether the source of the motivation is internal or external. The theory of the self-determination of motivation considers that the quality of the motivation is more important than quality and describes a continuum for the quality of motivation. Deep learning, high academic performance, better build on positive well-being. The present study measure autonomous motivation and the controller motivation and described by the study measure autonomous motivation. A hypothetical model of the motivation that influences performance. Also research gives has information on the difference between how the model works in the men and women. Since it has been found before, men have high controller motivation and the lower men and women since it has been found before and men have a higher control motivation and women have a more autonomous motivation. The relative autonomous motivation positively affects good strategy of study used by the students and the effort of the study. The methodology used was to the survey with the help of the student University Medical Center Amsterdam using the survey for data collection. The variables that used in this research was motivation variables, autonomous motivation, control motivation, and relative autonomous motivation. Uh, uh, so were used another variable, secondary variables was variables relative to the study process, academic performance variables. Uh, in the conclusion, as expected, we found difference in the nature of male and female relationship and the quantitative and the weighting lottery selection groups. Having having has main result the autonomous motivation that show a statistical difference between medical students. Relative autonomous motivation positively affects academic performance to deep student strategy and the greater student study efforts. It's all. Thank you.